Hey folks, Jason here at Russ Darrow Mazda, located at 3520 South 108th Street in Greenfield, Wisconsin. As you can tell, I'm standing outside. The sun's beaming in my face, hence the reason why I have sunglasses on. It's a blue sky, there's leaves on the trees. That can only mean one thing: summer's right around the corner. One of my most favorite childhood memories when I was a child during the summer was going to the drive-in theaters with my uncle. We would go every summer. We would go 3 or 4 times each summer to go watch a new movie at the outdoor theaters. And it was a blast. You get there a little early, you find the perfect parking spot, you watch the sun go down, you go to the concession stand, you get your popcorn, your soda, your juju beads, all your candy, all your goodies. You go back to the car. Back in those days, you took a speaker and you put the speaker in the window, and then they updated it, and it was just a radio station. And you sat in the comfort of your own car watching the movie outside on this massive screen. And for me, the best was scary movies. Oh, you watch a scary movie out there, and then you got to go and get more popcorn, and you're freaking out walking to the concession stand. I absolutely love the outdoor theaters. Now I'm thinking, what vehicle does Mazda sell that would be an excellent vehicle to take to the outdoor theaters? This one right here, folks. This is Mazda's newest vehicle. It's the 2025 Mazda CX-70. Absolutely gorgeous. Whether you're sitting up front here, just you and your significant other, in the nice Napa leather seats, very comfortable, enjoying the air conditioning while watching the movie. Or if you want to come over here and you pop the back open, there's an absolute ton of space back there. You can lay blankets and pillows, and you can chill out, relax, stretch your feet out, and really just enjoy the movie. Or if you'd like, you can take advantage of Mazda's Bose speakers, sit on the outside, lay a blanket outside, enjoy the movie with the stars above your sky. There's so many different choices, and I truly believe that the CX-70 is one of the best options if you're going to go to the outdoor theaters. I hope you guys get a chance to do it this summer. I'm definitely going to do it again. It's such a wonderful childhood memory, and it's an absolute blast. It's so fun. I encourage all of you to find an outdoor theater. I know they're far and few between, but they exist. Just find one, get into your brand new Mazda, drive out to the outdoor theater, and enjoy your flicks outside in your brand new Mazda. All right, folks, I appreciate you spending some time with me here and let me ramble on a little bit about outdoor theaters. But until next time, you guys take care. And as always, I will definitely look for you on the lot. We'll talk to you later.